Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make ho-ho cake. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 box of chocolate cake mix, plus the ingredients it calls for on the back, which mine is a 1/2 cup of oil, 3 eggs, and 1 1/4 cup of water. So that's all for the cake. And then for the frosting, you just need any tub or can of milk chocolate frosting that you want to use. And then for the center, the filling, we are going to use an 8-ounce block of cream cheese softened, a stick of butter, which is a 1/2 cup, also softened, 3 cups of confectioner sugar, and then 1 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip, or whipping cream, whatever you want to use. So what we need to do now is spray 2 cake pans with cooking spray, and they're supposed to be 9-inch cake pans, and then we are going to go ahead and make our cake according to the box. Okay, so according to my box, I need to preheat my oven to 350. Okay, so next I am going to go ahead and beat with an electric mixer my cake mix, water, oil, and eggs, and you just want to beat that on medium for 2 minutes. Okay, that looks good to me, so I am going to go ahead and pour that as evenly as possible into my 2 pans. Okay, these are going to the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, my cakes just came out of the oven, so I am going to let them go ahead and cool here on a cooling rack just on top of the stove. I'm going to leave them inside their pans for a little while just because I want to make sure I do not break these, because this is a layer cake, and I do not have good luck with layer cakes. So I'm just going to leave those like that and let them cool for a little bit and get to work on the frosting, or on the filling, sorry. Okay, my cakes are still cooling over here on top of the stove, and I'm going to get to work on the filling. So take your butter and your confectioner sugar, and we are just going to beat that with an electric mixer until it is smooth. Alright, that looks good to me. Next, I am going to add in my confectioner sugar a little at a time and just mix it until it is all combined. Okay, that looks great. So last we are going to mix in our whipped topping and just fold it in there with a spatula until it's nice and combined. Alright, that is nice and combined to me. So now we are just going to stick this in the refrigerator until we're ready to use it. Okay, my cakes both cooled, and basically I just took one and flipped it onto my serving platter here and then filled it all with the filling, and there is a lot of the filling, like a lot. Then I put my other cake on top and just smoothed out the filling, and then I did stick mine back in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes just so the filling wasn't too soft and didn't run out. So now we're going to go ahead and frost it. Okay, I just took my lid and my foil off of my frosting and I popped it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. You don't want it to be completely melted, but I just wanted it to be easier to spread on top of the cake. Okay, I used my whole tub of frosting. I'll just kind of slide it. It doesn't look the prettiest on the sides. Maybe if I melted it even more, that would be great, and just let it drizzle down the sides. That's an option. But I'm going to go ahead and stick this back into the fridge, and then maybe I'll be able to smooth it out a little better. Okay, my cake has been in the refrigerator for a while, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to cut into it and see what Taste Tester thinks. Okay, this is what the cake looks like in the center when you cut into it. Just thought you all might want to see that, because that's where the magic happens. Okay, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.